The 10 Best Independent Truck Stops in America. Welcome to my channel. Independent truck stops often offer unique features and services that cater to the trucking community. Here are 10 independent truck stops that are well regarded by truckers. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Russell's ND Truck and Travel Center. Russell's ND Truck and Travel Center in Glen Rio, New Mexico, is a vital stop for travelers and truckers, offering a range of essential services. On-site, you'll find dining options like the Big Town Cafe and Tex-Mex Bar and Grill. Nearby hotels, such as the Route 66 Inn, provide convenient accommodations. For long-haul drivers, shower facilities are available. Lounge areas offer a comfortable space to unwind. The center provides essential business services with copy and fax facilities. Money services are covered with ATMs, and Western Union is available. If your truck needs repair, their on-site truck service center is at your service, and they also offer road rescue services to ensure you can continue your journey smoothly. This comprehensive range of services makes it a valuable stop for truckers and travelers passing through Glen Rio, New Mexico. Number 9. Truck World Truck Stop. Truck World Truck Stop in Hubbard, Ohio, caters to truck drivers and travelers with a range of services. On-site, you'll find the Truck World Restaurant, serving hearty meals. Nearby hotels like Best Western Plus and Super 8 by Wyndham offer comfortable rest options. Shower facilities are available for freshening up, and there are accessible money services, including ATMs in Western Union. The stop also offers on-site truck repairs and a road rescue service, making it a one-stop destination for all your travel needs in Hubbard, Ohio. Number 8. Big Apple Travel Center. The Big Apple Travel Center in Joplin, Missouri, offers a comprehensive range of services for truckers. On-site, you'll find some excellent dining options, including popular restaurants like Applebee's and McDonald's. For those seeking accommodation, there are hotels nearby such as Comfort Inn and Suites and Hampton Inn Joplin, ensuring a comfortable stay. The travel center provides shower facilities for truckers who need to freshen up during their journey. There are lounge areas for relaxation and convenience services like copy and fax machines. Travelers can access money services through ATMs, and Western Union services are also available. In case of any truck-related issues, the center offers truck repair services on-site, as well as road rescue services, ensuring that drivers can address any unexpected challenges during their travels. Number 7. Greater Chicago I-55 Truck and Travel Plaza. The Greater Chicago I-55 Truck and Travel Plaza in Bolingbrook, Illinois, offers a comprehensive range of services catering to truckers and travelers. On-site, you'll find top-notch dining options like the renowned Iron Skillet Restaurant and the Country Pride Restaurant, both serving hearty meals for a satisfying stopover. Accommodations are convenient with nearby hotels such as the Bolingbrook Quality Inn and Best Western Plus offering comfortable stays. Shower facilities are available for a refreshing break. The lounge areas provide a comfortable space to relax, and money services, like ATMs, are readily accessible. While on-site truck repair services are not typically provided, they offer road rescue service to assist with breakdowns and other emergencies, providing peace of mind for travelers along the I-55 route. Number 6. London Auto and Truck Plaza. London Auto and Truck Plaza, located in London, Kentucky, offers a range of services to cater to the needs of travelers and truckers passing through the area. Shower facilities are available to ensure travelers can freshen up during their journey. On-site or nearby, you can find several well-regarded restaurants and hotels for a comfortable stay and dining options. Lounge areas provide a space to relax and unwind. The plaza also offers essential services, such as copy and fax facilities, and also ATM and Western Union services. In case of vehicle issues, truck repair services are typically offered on-site, ensuring that drivers can address mechanical problems promptly. Number 5. Burt Travel Plaza. Burt Travel Plaza in Wellsville, Kansas, is a one-stop destination for travelers, offering a range of services to ensure a comfortable journey. On-site, you'll find top-notch dining options, including well-known restaurants like Roadside Diner and Trucker's Grill, serving up delicious meals. For those looking to rest, there are nearby hotels such as Travelers Inn and Comfort Suites for a good night's sleep. Burt's also provides shower facilities, ensuring you can freshen up during your stop. Additionally, there are lounge areas for relaxation. The Travel Plaza offers essential services like copy and fax facilities and ATMs for your convenience. While they don't offer truck repair on-site, They have a reliable road rescue service to assist with any unexpected breakdowns or issues, ensuring you get back on the road swiftly and safely. Number 4. Jubitz Travel Center. Jubitz Travel Center in Portland, Oregon is a comprehensive hub for truckers and travelers, offering a wide range of services. On-site, you'll find a selection of excellent dining options, including a renowned Cascade Grill and the Ponderosa Lounge for those looking to unwind. Nearby hotels like the Portlander Inn and Shiloh Inn are convenient for extended stays. Showers are readily available for those on long hauls, and the lounge areas offer a comfortable space to relax. For business needs, they provide services like copy and fax facilities. Additionally, Jubitz offers financial services with ATMs and Western Union. If your truck requires repair, their on-site truck service center is equipped to assist, and they offer road rescue services to ensure you can continue your journey without a hitch. Number 3. Little America Travel Center. Little America Travel Center in Little America, Wyoming, offers a range of services to cater to the needs of travelers passing through the area. On-site, you'll find exceptional dining options like the Hathaway's Restaurant and Western Tap, providing delicious meals. Accommodations are readily available at the Little America Hotel and Resort, ensuring a comfortable stay for weary travelers. For those in need of a quick refresh, there are shower facilities to freshen up. Lounge areas offer a place to relax and unwind during your journey. Services like copy and fax are available for business needs, and there are ATM services on site. The Travel Center offers truck repair services, and they also have a road rescue service for any unexpected issues that may arise during your travels. Number 2. Boise Stage Stop. The Boise Stage Stop in Boise, Idaho, is a popular and historic establishment offering a range of dining options for truckers and travelers alike. The restaurant on the premises, known for its classic Western ambience, serves a variety of delectable dishes. Some of the standout items on their menu include hearty steaks cooked to perfection, juicy burgers, and mouth-watering BBQ dishes that showcase the essence of Idaho's culinary tradition. The Boise Stage Stop also offers a selection of sides and appetizers to complement your main course, and also provide other facilities like shower, lounge areas for relaxation, ATMs, and copy and fax facilities for business needs. For truck drivers in need of repairs or roadside assistance, they also provide on-site truck repair services and road rescue assistance, making it a comprehensive stopover for travelers and trucking professionals. Number 1. Dysart's Truck Stop and Restaurant. Dysart's Truck Stop and Restaurant, located in Hermon, Maine, is a renowned establishment that caters to both travelers and truckers alike. The restaurant offers a diverse menu with a focus on classic American comfort food. Customers can savor an array of delicious dishes, including hearty breakfast options, burgers, sandwiches, seafood, and steaks. The real standout at Dysart's is their famous homemade pies, which are known to be some of the best in the region. Whether you're craving a slice of blueberry pie or a traditional apple pie, Dysart's has you covered. Dysart's, also renowned for its exceptional services, extends its commitment to truckers by providing full-service fueling options. This additional service elevates Dysart's status as a highly convenient and well-loved stop for those on the road, especially for truckers. With full-service fueling, truckers can refuel their vehicles without the need to navigate self-service pumps. The process is streamlined and efficient, allowing drivers to save time and effort. The combination of great food and trucker-friendly amenities has made Dysart's a beloved institution for anyone traveling through Hermon, Maine. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.